Need a talking head presentation? Learn how to easily create one with this Canva tutorial. Hi, I'm Sarah Nguyen, here to help you grow your business with video and social media design. Subscribe for more tutorials and tips. We're going to create a talking head video presentation using Canva presentations. Canva users on both free and paid plans have access now. But check out the link in my description to get Canva Pro free for 45 days so you can access premium videos and images to add to your talking head video presentation. Let's get straight into the tutorial in Canva. In Canva, from the Canva home page, you want to search for talking presentations. So put that in the search bar and then hit enter, or you can select the icon here, talking presentation. And this will open up all of the templates. So you can go ahead and select one or create a blank talking presentation. I'm going to go and choose this one. And I'm also going to then click on customize this template. Now remember, you can go in and change the template at any time. So don't worry too much if it's not the one that you think will be the final one. Now, we're in here, and as always with your Canva presentations, you can change the text. Simply click on the element that you want to change, whether you want to move it around or play around with the text and update the text to be your own content. And same with the images. So select what you want to either replace, delete, and you can also click on the elements section here to add your own graphics and videos and tables and etc. So that's a crash course in making changes to the presentation. Now, let's assume that you've made all of the changes and you're ready to create the talking head video presentation. What you want to do is go to the top right-hand corner here and you will see the present and record. You need to have selected a talking presentation in order for this to work. So if it's not appearing here, you're not in the correct document type. So go back and search for talking presentation. So go ahead and click present and record, and then you will see the ability to go to recording studio. So we want to click on that. So this will then open up the recording studio, and Canva needs to set up our camera and microphone. So just give it a minute. And I can see here that it's picked the camera and it's also picked a microphone. So if you have a different one that it's picked, you can go ahead and select from the drop down and choose the one that you want. So these are the ones that I do want to use. So I'm going to then click on start recording, and you'll get a 3-second countdown and it will start recording. So I'm going to go through the presentation, assume that I'm talking, look at the camera, go through all of my notes, go through all of the slides. As I change slides, the content on the screen here will change, and my video image will be in the bottom here. You can't change the size of it, unfortunately, at the time of this recording, and you also can't move it around anywhere, but it does stay there for the duration of your presentation. If you need to pause during the presentation to take a breath or to do what you need to do, you simply click pause and this will stop recording for that moment. And once you're ready to continue, click resume and you can go on and continue to complete the presentation. Once you've finished, you can hit this end recording button here, and then Canva will start uploading and rendering the video. So just give it a moment and leave the browser open. Do not close the browser. So let it do its thing. Now, we've got options here. We want to copy this link if we want to share this video presentation with someone. I'm going to copy the link so you can see what it looks like. So once I do that, you can share this with anyone, and you can see here, this is the presentation and they can watch the whole video, and they can also jump to all of the slides because there's little circles in the timeline here for them to jump to. So that's a really cool way of creating the video and sharing it immediately without having to upload it anywhere. Now, the other option that you have is to download it. So if you click on that, it will open it up in the editor again, and you'll see here that it's downloading. So once again, give it a moment. And once it's finished doing its thing, the file will automatically save. Otherwise, you can click on this link here if it hasn't started to download itself, and this will download the file again. You can also access the video of you in the video section here. So if I wanted to use this in an actual Canva design, or just have the video file and download it and then maybe add it to another file and cut it up, this is where I can do that. So that's pretty cool. It's got the whole video file there that you can also play with it. So that is basically how you use Canva Present and Record to do a talking head video presentation without having to learn how to use any complicated software. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, please hit the like button for me. And let me know in the comments section below, what other Canva training would you like to learn about? I love making these videos for you. In the meantime, why don't you check out my Canva playlist for more tutorials, or if you're struggling to come up with what to say in your YouTube videos, you'll definitely want my 5 swipeable YouTube scripts. They'll help you come up with content for your videos that grabs your viewers' attention and increases your YouTube watch time. You can check them out by clicking on the screen, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.